In this video, you'll learn how to remove the footer in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will gain control over the elements in your email campaigns and customize them to better fit your brand. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you may need to sign in with your account credentials if prompted. After successfully signing in, you will find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Create Email. This button is typically found near the center of the dashboard. After clicking, a new window will open, allowing you to choose the type of email you wish to create. Once this appears, you should see a prompt that allows you to start designing your email. Click on Close to exit any introductory pop-ups that may appear. This action will lead you back to the email creation interface where you can continue with your... After that, find and click on the Content tab. This section allows you to manage the various components of your email. You will see a layout of your email template where you can modify content blocks. Continue by clicking on the Design Email button. This will take you a new screen where you can choose from various email templates. Ensure that you select a template that best suits your needs for the campaign. When the template selection screen appears, choose your preferred design. The options may vary, so take your time to find one that aligns with your branding. Once you have made your choice, click on Apply to confirm your selection. Next, locate and click on the footer section in the design interface. This area is where the footer block is typically displayed. Clicking here will allow you to access the options available for customizing the footer. Now click on the option labeled Remove Block. This action will delete the footer from your email design. You should see a confirmation that the footer block is no longer present in your email layout. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.